In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade audio using Capcut in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a video project for fun or a professional endeavor, adding a fade effect to your audio can really enhance the overall feel and polish of your final product. By following these straightforward instructions, you'll gain the skills needed to integrate this feature effortlessly into your workflow. To get started, open the Capcut app on your device. If you haven't yet installed Capcut, you can download it for free on most app stores. With the app open, the first step is to import your video or audio clip that you're planning to edit. This sets the foundation for everything we'll do next. To do this, just tap on the New Project option and select the file you want from your device's library. Once your clip is on the timeline, we can dive into adding the audio fade. Now tap on the audio track within your timeline. If your clip was a video, you'll find the audio linked with it, but you do have the option to detach it if needed. By selecting the audio, you open up a set of tools specifically designed for audio editing. We're focusing today on the fade functionality within this suite of tools. Next, tap on Edit and you'll see various features pop up. Among these features, you should find options labeled Fade In and Fade Out. These are exactly what we'll be using to add smooth audio transitions. The fade effect is helpful for avoiding abrupt starts or stops in your audio, creating a cohesive and professional sound. To adjust the duration of these fades, you'll simply drag the corresponding sliders. This is where you can personalize how gradual or steep you want the fade to be. A longer fade duration will result in a more gradual change in audio volume, which can be particularly useful in softer settings, while shorter fades work well for a quick transition. Feel free to experiment here to get just the right level of audio dynamics for your project. Don't forget to preview the audio fade effect after adjusting the sliders. This step is crucial as it allows you to hear exactly how the fades will sound and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your work. Simply play the segment to witness your edit in action and refine as you see fit. Once you're satisfied with how everything sounds, it's time to export your work. Tap on the export button, typically located in the upper right corner. Choose your desired resolution and save the file back to your gallery or share it right from the app. Congratulations, you've successfully added an audio fade using Capcut. With this simple skill, you can elevate any project, ensuring your audiences are left with a lasting impression.